auditorium for great move, or as we should say, the chess competition. I could already sense the nervousness here. It looks like the matches have not started yet. The schools are already sitting and the tables are set. Look at the tables. All of them are already set, but the matches are yet to begin. We are still, looks like, doing some sort of paperwork, and we'll come back here when the matches start.
A few moments later.
Looks like a very intense match is going on.
Hey.
So which school are you guys from?
DAV Khogol.
Okay, who do you think is your biggest competitor school for today?
This is my first time. This is my first time that I have partaken in a competition, so I don't know.
Okay, may the best school win, and I wish you all the best.
The next day.
Okay, so we are here at the finals of the chess match today, and I'm speaking slowly because we don't want to disturb them. We have a lot of final matches going on, as you can see, so I can't possibly name all of them, but I think it'll be better to keep quiet and we'll move to the next arena.
Okay, so we are here at the first match of the day for Super Sports. Is the basketball match between Trinity Global School and DPS Public School. It looks like a tough competition. All I see is tall boys because okay, let's see what the outcomes of the match are, and we'll see the finalists in tomorrow's match.
One day later.
As for the basketball finals, we have the boys match going on right now between Litera Valley School and Trinity Global School. In the girls, the final lineup is Litera Valley School versus St. Joseph's Convent, Jetali. And we are currently watching the final match of football for today. Don Bosco Academy versus Delhi Public School, Danapur. It is a very thrilling match, and we'll have to see for the outcomes at the end of the match who will walk away with the winner's trophy. Good morning. So which school are you from?
I'm from Don Bosco.
Don Bosco. So you're playing football, as I can see, and how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling very proud right now.
What do you think of Litera Valley School?
This is very good school, I guess.
Would like to take notes while I take.
Because many sports include here.
Yes, many schools and many sports are included here. Who do you think is your biggest competitor?
In this school.
In football?
Others.
Okay, I mean, which school is your biggest competitor today?
Michael's.
Okay, St. Michael's. Thank you. So now we are here at the center stage area, central hall area in the main building, where girls badminton matches are going on, when we have one of our council members who is a part of today's team. So how are you feeling?
It's very nerve-wracking. We got to know it at the very end moment, but it is very exciting at the same time.
Have you played your match yet?
No, we still have to. It's like under 14 going on, and I am in under 19. So
Which schools are playing right now?
there are multiple schools. This is St. Joseph's and I guess Trinity. I'm not sure, but it is St. Joseph's.
Okay. Who do you think is our school's biggest competitor school today?
Delhi East or Notre Dame.
Notre Dame or Delhi Public? I've been hearing a lot of praise about Notre Dame. I think I should talk to them as well.
Notre Dame is such a good school. Crazy.
You cannot say that.
One day later.
We are here at the Badminton Girls Arena, and the final matches for today. We have DPS Danapur against St. Joseph's Jetali in the under 14 category. We have DAV Transport Nagar against Trinity Global School in the under 17 category, and Litera Valley School against Trinity Global School in the under 19 category. The energy is so high right now. I think we have the finals of under 19 match going on right now, and we'll wait for the results and see you that time. We are here at the electrifying boys badminton arena, and today's all three final matches Under 14, under 17 and under 19 are Litra Valley School versus Trinity Global School. The atmosphere you can already see from the cheers, it's very energetic, and let's see who will win today.
Relax and take notes while I take toast.
So we have so many schools here today, and I heard there are around 550 participants or more. So how are you feeling after organizing such a big event?
It's such a exciting feeling today to see so many young athletes, boys and girls from various schools competing with each other. And such events are organized to spot talent and encourage them to do well. It gives a great feeling for Litra Valley to take on such a Herculean task of putting together an event of such magnitude, and in spite of the 1 week interruption that we have, but we can see that it's well organized. So I would like to thank the management, HM ma'am, the sports department, all the volunteers for doing such a fabulous job. Thank you.
So what do you think about our school students today? They have been practicing for so long, and finally their hard work will be shown on field.
So it was a great challenge because of the elections, and all of us were very worried about conducting it when school is on, but the challenge has been well taken. We have such a wonderful team under the leadership of Principal Sir, the vision of the management, Chairman Sir, Chairperson Ma'am, our operations team, head doing so well, and it's going to be good because they have been practicing since April. And since they've been practicing since April, I'm sure they are going to do well. Let's hope for the best. And we as a team, Litra Valley, we love to rock the stage. And this is another moment. Let's hope our teams win and we come out as really victorious in this entire initiative. Super Sports Season 1.
Super Sports Season 1. Thank you, ma'am. Like to have an interview. Excuse me, why are you running? Excuse me. Excuse me, why are you running? Excuse me. Wait, why are you running? Now that I have you guys, which school are you from?
Notre Dame Academy. NDA.
Okay. So I've been hearing a lot of praise about you guys. Which sport today?
Badminton.
Okay. Who do you think is your biggest competitor?
DPS.
Singles or doubles? Which one is your vibe?
I think singles.
Alright, and if you were to challenge any badminton player, who would it be? Famous badminton player?
PV Sindhu.
Alright. So, which sport are you playing today?
Basketball.
How are you feeling?
Like, I'm feeling nervous, but it's okay. Like, it striked my mind in 3 a.m. that today is my match. And I was like feeling nervous from that time till now.
Okay, which school do you think is your biggest competitor today?
ND, of course.
Okay, thank you. How are you guys feeling today?
Very excited.
I think that's your school's match going on right now. You have any words for them before we know the outcomes of the match?
I think
that they will win because they have been practicing since long, and I think they are gonna win.
Okay, that is a very nice spirit to have. Who do you think is your biggest competitor school amongst all of these today? Any idea?
Maybe DPS, but we think like we are good enough. Like we don't have any competition.
That is a very great seal. Okay, so we'll see you after the match.
Okay.
So which school are you from? DAV Public School, Canton. Okay. So which under age group?
under 14.
How are you feeling right now?
So nervous.
Okay, so who do you think is your biggest competitor?
My anxiety.
Okay, that is a very nice answer. Thank you. And I'm here right now with the winners of the under-19 chess category. Your names are?
Amrit Ashutosh, Abhinav Raj, Pragyan Nayan.
And how are you feeling, guys?
It was a really nice experience playing this.
No. Your experience, we know it was very nice. How are you feeling right now after beating so many teams?
Very, very happy moment for all of us, as it's my first effort to bring an individual trophy as well as a school trophy.
Relax and take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke.
Very nice.
My experience was also very good. I managed to get good
good amount of wins, but I didn't manage to win the medal.
That's all right. That's all right. That's not a matter of worry. With this is our chess team. Found my long lost sister here. What's your name?
Arpita Sahani.
And I am Diksha Sahani. You know, it's so hard to find someone with the Sahani name. I found my long lost sister here. You're from?
Huh?
Which school?
Trinity Global School.
Yes. Did you win any prizes today?
No,
That's all right. You can always do better next time.
I was ranked 4th in my category. I am in an under 19 girls category.
The most important question: did you have fun?
Yes, of course.
Litra Valley is fun. And what are you feeling right now?
Very nice.
Why nice?
Because we are having Super Smash, Super
Kick, Super Smash. We have the Great Move and Super Dunk. 4 competitions today. And do you know why we are walking backwards?
No.
Yeah, I don't even know. It was our cameraman's idea, so we are following through. We are currently moving towards, guess which arena?
School.
All-rounded answer.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Okay, so we've been moving around this arena to that arena, and there's a lot of crowd today because all our school students we are watching from 6th to I guess 12th. Many spectators are here with these 550 participants and so many students. The crowd is so much, the energy is so palpable, and look at that. Look at that. That is downright chaos. And now currently we are going to the girls arena for badminton. Didi, how are you feeling right now?
Very nice.
You want to tell us something behind the scenes?
There is not much behind the scenes. We just practice and have fun with the team. That's it.
What is your strategy to make sure that Litra Valley will win?
Litra Valley will win.
The strategy is based on belief.
No, we have practiced a lot, so I think we should win.
It looks like we got the team captain's approval. Litra Valley will win. And finally, it's 5 p.m. and we are going home after 2 days of hard work and a successful Super Sports 2020.
We got it. Our Super Sports, and finally the first step behind the first step.
The second step out of this school
School.
after Super Sports.